Would you like to make this kind of animation app? You can draw here anything. You can click here to add frame. You can draw line. You can click here to add frame. You can draw rectangle. You can draw circle. You can select any of this object. You can click here to delete this object. You can add frame. You can click here to enable grid. Now you can draw here anything. You can make animation using this app. You can click here to play this animation. Guys, you can use ChatGPT platform to make animation app. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now in next step, you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can sign in on this platform. You can click here to create app. Now you can type your app name. You can select your app icon. You can select any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. You can type here this kind of app description. Now you can click on next button. You can select any of this style. Click on next button. Now click on create an empty app button. Click on go to app manager button. Click on design. Click on menu type. You can select here this option. Click on save button. Now click on sections. Click on create section button. Select here HTML option. Select here this option. Click on next button. Now type your section title. You can paste your HTML code of animation app. You can go on ChatGPT platform. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Or you can go on my website. You can check link in the description. You can click on this 3 line. You can scroll down. Here you can see page make animation app. You can click here to open this page. You can scroll down. Here you can see HTML code. You can copy this HTML code accurately. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste here that HTML code. You can click on save button. Guys, if you want to earn money from your animation app, then you will have to monetize this app. You can click on ads button. You can paste your Admob ad unit ID of binary ads. You can paste your Admob ad unit ID of interstitial ads. You can paste your Admob ad unit ID of native ads. You can paste your Admob ad unit ID of rewarded video ads. At last, you can click on save button. You can visit on Google Admob. Here you can see you can earn more revenue with your apps. Admob is best and most popular ad network. Admob is a Google's product. You can use Admob to monetize your app or game. Let me show you how much money you can earn from Admob. You can select your region. You can select your device. You can select your app category. Now click on calculate button. Here you can see if you will get 50,000 monthly active users on your app, then you can generate more than 2,000 revenue. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can create account using your email address. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on apps button. Now you can click on add app button. You can select your platform. You can select Android platform. You can select here no option. Click on continue button. Now you can type your app name. Now you can click on add app button. Now you need to create ad unit. You can create binary ads. You can create interstitial ads. You can create rewarded ads. You can create native ads. You can simply click on select button. Now you can type your unit name. You can type your anything. Now you can click on create ad unit button. Guys, here you can see I have created ad unit. You can click here to copy this ad unit. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste your ad unit ID of binary ads. Similarly, you can paste your ad unit ID of interstitial ads. You can paste your ad unit ID of native ads. You can paste your ad unit ID of rewarded video ads. At last, you can click on save button. Now you will have to add your app ID. You can click here. Now click on name and icon button. You can scroll down. You can paste your app ID. You can go on Admob. You can click on app settings. Here you can see app ID. You can click here to copy this app ID. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can paste your app ID. You can click on save button. Okay, after monetizing your app, you can click on download app button. Guys, it will take some time to create app. You can wait and refresh this page. Here you can see download app button. You can click here to download this application in APK format. Or you can scan this code to download this application. You can download this application and then you can install this application in your Android device. You can make this kind of animation app using ChatGPT platform, and then you can monetize this app using Google Admob. After that, you can publish this app on app stores. If you want to learn more about Admob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.